So, how are you doing with preserving the life of your braids?
Ooh, right now I haven't been doing much,
Okay.
honestly. I just sort of put it in a bun and go, wrap it at night and go to sleep, but it needs a good refresh.
This whole line is perfect for you because it's going to be great for the in-between, okay? It's going to extend the life of your style. It's going to give you the scalp care you need, give your hair the moisture that it needs, and be easy for you because that's why you have a protective style, right? It's because you like that ease. So I want to just walk you through some of the products and show you why they're great and what they're useful for. I think the things that you're going to get the most use out of when you're wearing braids is number one, our oil drops. So they're not super, the oil is not super runny. So it's going to like really go exactly where you want it to go.
Ooh, can I feel?
Yeah.
Nice, I like that.
So this I would just put on my hair, you know, every day or whenever you need it. It does have a nice like tingling effect to it, so it's gonna give you that like calming, soothing feel to your scalp, which is bomb. Another thing you can do is if you have dryness in your hair when you wear protective styles, especially braids, you know, the synthetic hair, sometimes it kind of dry the hair out. So the conditioning detangler is going to be great for you just to give your hair a little bit moisture. I like to spray it at my roots. You know, you really don't want to get it too far down here because you don't want it to get frizzy in your braids. But when you're taking your hair down, I would highly suggest spraying them on your braids to just give you that moisture when you're unbraiding, unraveling your hair, okay? So it smells bomb. It's going to give you that moisture. It's a great product for the takedown or the maintenance. Now this product is the hair bath, and I'm not sure if you ever have itching from your synthetic hair, but this one is going to be great for before you get your hair braided. So the next time you do go into braids, I want you to rinse your synthetic hair with this product. You basically would just put some of the cleanser into like a basin or a bowl or whatever, and then just soak your hair, immerse your hair in it, run the product through, rinse it off. It's going to help get off some of those impurities that tend to make our hair dry, tend to make us itch and all that stuff for those first few weeks. It has apple cider vinegar in it, so it's going to be great for helping to get a lot of that bad stuff off. This one is great as well, the braid and twisting gel, just because you can use this kind of as an edge control or a pomade, or if you want to just smooth your roots. I like to do a little bit of this at the roots of my braids, and then I just like to tie it down with a scarf because that's going to really help me preserve my look. So this is called the deodorizing mist. You know when you're on the go and you a little bit of everywhere, you on a boat, you at a party, you got to go to dinner. This is the one that's going to help make sure you feel your best no matter where you're going.
I'm definitely going to need this. I'll be at the gym 3 times a week. Oh my God,
it smells so good, right? Girl. So you can spray it on your scalp. It's great for like if you've been sweating, you were at the gym, you can spray it on your scalp. It's gonna really help. You also can start with the setting foam. So if you get buildup or your scalp gets like itchy from sweating and stuff like that, use a little bit of setting foam because this has apple cider vinegar in it, which is a great ingredient for like a quick cleanse. So you can put this on the roots of your hair, tie it down, and then once you're ready to go, then follow up with the deodorizing mist, spray that throughout, and then you can run a little bit of oil like on your hands and through everything, kind of seal it, and then that's gonna give you that like, okay, fresh braids.
I'm here for it.
Yes, all the things.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. That's what this line is created for, just to make it easy for you, make your lifestyle easier with your easy protective styles.